Even top Ethereum treasury firms are liquidating ETH to cover debts. ETHZilla sold 291 ETH, worth about $74.5 million, to redeem bonds, and announced it will discontinue its MNAV dashboard. The company is now pivoting from holding crypto to focusing on real-world asset tokenization as its new business core. Solana's market is facing distress levels not seen since the FTX collapse, but Upexi is doubling down. The company seeks SEC approval to raise $1 billion to expand its Solana digital asset treasury, even as its holdings dropped from over $500 million to $254 million. Meanwhile, SOL ETFs saw $750 million in inflows, yet bearish sentiment keeps prices low, hinting at possible bargains for long-term players. Ethereum's Blockspace just became a tradable commodity, with ETHGas launching a futures market backed by $800 million in commitments. The platform enables buying and selling of computation and storage capacity on Ethereum, aiming to boost ecosystem efficiency. This move could redefine how developers and projects secure resources on the blockchain. ZKsync will end all Etherscan support on January 7, 2026, shifting users and developers to its native explorer for all on-chain data. This move enables protocol-native features like interop transactions and gateway settlement, reducing external dependencies and boosting network coordination. Developers must migrate APIs before the deadline, as Ethereum Layer 2 tools become more specialized and independent. A major breakthrough is shaking up the crypto world, as Cardano and Solana founders agree to build a direct cross-chain bridge. This move will let ADA holders tap into Solana's fast DeFi apps, boosting ADA's real-world utility and bridging two previously rival communities. By bypassing Layer 2s and centralized exchanges, this bridge could redefine blockchain interoperability and set a new standard for efficient, decentralized connectivity. A crypto whale just ramped up short positions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, totaling $243 million, signaling a strong bearish outlook. The whale now holds 1,899 BTC with 10x leverage, 527 ETH at 15x, and 209 SOL at 20x, all betting on price drops. Such massive leverage shorts could spark volatility and influence market sentiment, as traders watch closely for the next move. Trump just declared the US will never sell its Bitcoin again, calling past sales a multi-billion-dollar mistake. The US now holds around 325,000 BTC, worth over $32 billion, and this move signals a long-term reserve strategy with reduced government sell pressure. Global markets responded with cautious optimism, as the world's largest economy positions Bitcoin as a strategic asset. Uniswap's long-awaited fee switch proposal is set to transform UNI from a governance token to a value-linked asset. Over 69 million UNI votes have backed the plan, which includes burning 100 million UNI and tying token supply to trading volume. If passed by December 25th, an estimated $130 million in annual fees will flow into the burn mechanism, reshaping Uniswap's tokenomics for 2026. A $200 million Bitcoin mining deal just put Tether's top executives in the spotlight. Northern Data sold its Peak mining division to companies run by Tether's co-founder Giancarlo Devasini and CEO Paolo Ardoino, raising questions about transparency and regulatory risk. The sale marks a strategic shift for Northern Data, while Tether deepens its exposure to mining, AI, and media through complex financial ties. Just days before a $1 billion hype burn vote, Hyperliquid denies insider trading, clarifying the wallet in question belonged to a former employee fired in Q1 2024. All team members are now strictly banned from trading hype, aiming to boost transparency and investor confidence, as validators decide whether to permanently remove over 13% of supply. This governance decision could reshape Hyperliquid's tokenomics and impact the decentralized derivatives market. Over $270 million in altcoins are set to unlock this week, with major projects releasing tokens in both Cliff and Linear events. Humanity Protocol, Plasma, and Jupiter led single unlocks, while Rain and Solana drive daily linear releases. These unlocks could increase market supply and put short-term pressure on token prices. Allegations of Aave Labs redirecting swap fees without DAO approval have shaken the DeFi community. The integration of CowSwap replacing Paraswap triggered a $50 million sell-off, causing Aave to drop over 10%. The ongoing snapshot vote on asset transfer could set a precedent for decentralized governance and market trust,